I'm gonna do a few line like this, and then a sharp pointy mouth, a beak should I say. Close that and kind of circle like that. And we're gonna come all the way down and draw a semicircle. Connect the two. And here I want you to curve outward because you still want the head part to be kind of round. And curve back. And here you can just do something like this to show that it has a little wing. And then the big tail. Like so. Of course, feel free to slow the video down or rewatch it if you missed something. And lastly, just add a dot for the eye. And on the bottom, do a circle like this, go straight down, and then line. Almost like a wine glass. And look, we have ourselves a chicken. I think that took like 50 seconds. I could be wrong. I'm not sure. But this is another 2-minute or shorter video by Mr. X. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And, you know, let me know what you want to see. Something more complicated, something more simple. And I'll try my best. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!